Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve some mathematical expression that looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because they did not take the right approach. So in this video, we will solve multiple expression. So don't skip the video because in every question you will learn something new. So let's start with the first question, that is 6 minus 9 bracket 6 minus 9. So what people do mistakes, so they solve it like this: 6 minus 9 as minus 3 and 6 minus 9 as minus 3 and minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have given multiple operation like subtraction, then bracket, then again in subtraction between that, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. So in this rule, this helps you to decide what operation you have to solve first. So here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. Both multiplication and division have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly, in the case of addition and subtraction, both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Now rewrite the expression and solve it with the help of PEMDAS rule. So first you have to solve the bracket. So 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Always rewrite the left out terms, that will help you to choose the operations. So now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as we can see in the PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So multiplication sign is in between minus 9 and minus 3. So 6 minus 9 minus 3 is plus 27 and 6 plus 27 is 33. So what is the correct answer? 33, not 9. I hope it's clear and you learn something new. So don't skip the video here. Move out to the next expression and you find it useful. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So in this expression, we have given 81 divided 1 by 9 times 9. So let's solve it. So what people make mistake, they cancel out the 9 with 9 and 81 divided 1, which answer is 18. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. As we discussed, if you are thinking that division and multiplication given and both have same priority, yes, both have same priority, but we said that we have to solve it from left to right, not in between, not right to left. So now rewrite the expression and apply the PEMDAS rule. And I want to tell you something, that 81 divided 1 by 9 and 81 multiply 1 by 9 both have different questions. Because when 81 multiply 1 by 9, you can cancel out this 9 and 9 times 1 is 9. 9 is the correct answer in this case. But when you have given 81 divided 1 by 9, then you have to follow certain rules. That is, the rule is KCF rule. What it said? Keep, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means, let's apply the rule in our question given. Keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it becomes 81 multiply 9 by 1 times 9. So what is 81 times 9 times 9? 81 times 9 is 729 times 9, which is equals to 6561. So what is the correct answer? 6561, not 81. I hope you learned something new, and when multiplication is given, what to solve, and when division is given, how to solve. That is clear. So stay tuned in the video and you will find it very useful. So now let's move forward to the next expression. So the expression is 14 minus 5 bracket 14 minus 5. We solved it similar questions. So if you know the answer, comment down below. 14 minus 5, 9, and 14 minus 5, 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. Is your answer 81? Tell me in the comment box. If it is, so you will take a wrong approach because this is the wrong answer. While following PEDMAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, that is 14 minus 5. as 9. Now rewrite the left out terms. 14 minus 5 times 9. Now we have two operations given, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So it's 14 minus 45, which is equals to negative 31. So what is the correct answer? Negative 31, not 81. I hope it's clear. Now let's move forward to the next expression. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we have given 21 divided 3 divide 21. Many people scared to see this type of questions, and if they try to approach, they will always reach that wrong answer. They cancel out and they reached at 1, like this. 1 divided by 1, that is 1, which is incorrect. When you have given this type of question, always write numerator, then divide, and then in bracket division. Now follow the PEMDAS rule. Solve the parenthesis first. 21 divided by 3 divided 3 by 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7, divided 1 by 7, right? Now we know the KCF rule. When division is given, keep the left hand, change the symbol, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. Keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 49 by 1, which is equals to 49. So what is the correct answer here? 49, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So now let's move forward to the next expression. So in this expression, we have given 7 divided 1 by 7 times 7. So what people do, they cancel out the 7 with 7 and 7 divided by 1 as 7. It's wrong. We learned the right approach. 7 divided 1 by 7 times 7. When we have given division sign, we have to follow KCF rule, which says that keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49 times 7, and 49 times 7 is 343. So what is the correct answer? 343. I hope you find the entire video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now your homework question for today is 2 divided 1 by 2 multiplied 2. I will pin the first right comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.